Birdwatchers freak looking at king parrots again. Birdwatchers 1 looking at king parrots.
No, I don't think so. They don't scare very big. The other night, Poppy and Daddy had 9 out the back.
Sorry?
There's 9 out the back with Poppy when Poppy and Daddy were sitting out there. Really?
There's a king parrot looking.
There's another one. There's another one up on the hedge there. Will look on the top of the hedge.
Oh, on the top of the hedge. There's a king parrot. There's a parrot. So the king parrot is over there.
Yeah.
The king parrot is the one with the like neon thing on it. The aqua.
The king parrot's got, he's got the bright orange face.
And the aqua thing on him.
Oh, he's got a bit of aqua on his face, yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
They're flying away. Having little arguments, aren't they, over the food?
Mum, they're arguing about the food.
And if you want to do a really good video, see how you can see them in the middle.
Oh, you got zoom in.
Mm.
You have zoom in? I didn't know that.
Yeah, but you've got to get in the right spot first. They're nice and close now. Look, it's watching you. It's nice and still. I have to wobble it too much.
Watching it.
Get the hang of it.
So you can see my foot.
Yeah, that's all you can see.
Ow.
Oops, and then go over to the other ones. That's it. So zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. That's it. Getting the hang of it.
Oh.
Where'd that one go?
The best. That one went on the left. You get them good too?
There you go.
Okay.
Very nice time. They're right in the bowl, those two, aren't they? They're very hungry. They make a big mess, Will. Look how much mess this one's making.
Wow, what?
Seeds everywhere.
Those ones are just polite, not making that much mess.
This one's, look, he's throwing
This
them
one
out.
is like, nom, 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 nom,
I
nom,
think
nom.
because those ones are new seeds, whereas these seeds are a bit old and they've been eaten a lot. And I think he's actually throwing out the ones that have already been eaten, trying to find the ones that aren't. You can see he's sort of scooping them out to try and find the good seeds.
I love king parrots. Oh, there's another one, there's another one. It kind of looks like a potato. Nice and still. What I was doing. Oh, wait. I can record now. Yeah. Oh, there's some other ones. Alright, they're gonna have a fight, I think. Oh.
Talking to each other.
Oh, there he goes. I think he said bye-bye.
They sort of come and go, don't they?
Mom, I think that one was like chip, chip, bye-bye.
I'm charging mine up so we can see how it looks. Oh, where are you going to? That one, look. Oh, another fight.
Scared that one away.
Oh, there's one right near me.
You're a bird watcher, you know.
See this? I can see them, I can see them.
They're making a nice noise.
They're making some nice noises.
Oh, I'm going to
I
get
saw it.
some
And
birds.
now,
Oh, look at them flying across in the sky.
now
They're,
got
I think they're the largest parrot bird, and they're very
oh
long.
my god.
Oh, there they all
There
go.
they go.
Off they go
Parrots.
into the tree.
Gone.
All gone.
No.
Yeah, we're finished now.
Go away now.
How nice. Now I'll have a look and see what they look like, and I'll be able to look at it and remember that Will took it for me on my phone. I'm charging it up. I'm only just learning how to do it. Yes.